Understanding One-Time Deal, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, one-time deal. This is a common phrase you might encounter in English conversations, especially when discussing opportunities or offers. So, let's get started and unravel what it really means to get a one-time deal. One-time deal refers to an opportunity or an offer that is available only once and not likely to be repeated. It's like a special offer that comes around just once, and if you don't grab it, it's gone forever. Imagine you're shopping, and you find a discount that's only good for today. That's a one-time deal. You'll often hear one-time deal in sales and marketing, where companies offer a product or service at a special rate, but just for a short period or for a certain number of customers. It's exclusive and urgent, creating a sense of scarcity that encourages people to act fast. Let's look at some examples. This is a one-time deal. If you sign up today, you'll get 50% off your first month. I can lower the price for you as a one-time deal, but I can't do it again in the future. These examples show how the phrase can be used to indicate a unique offer that won't come around again. And that's a wrap on one-time deal. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and how you can use it or respond to it in daily conversations. Remember, a one-time deal is all about grabbing the chance before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next English learning adventure.